Welcome to all the students in the science topic. Chapter number 16 we have started, that is a heredity and variation. Heredity and variation. Today's topic, that is the chromosomes. See the diagram of chromosome. You know what is heredity? Heredity means transfer of characters from parents to offspring, that is called heredity. And it is due to the heredity that all the species of organisms are similar to them. That is, puppies are similar to dogs, squabs are similar to pigeons. Now the topic chromosomes. Diagram of chromosome is there in front of you. See, this is the figure of chromosome. The structure in the nucleus of cell that carries the hereditary character is called the chromosome. Means inside our cell, the cell contains so many organelles. We have studied the functions and structure of the cells in the previous class. Inside the nucleus of the cell, that nucleus contains one structure. That structure carries the genetic characters that known as chromosomes. And this chromosome is made up of nucleic acid and proteins. So during cell division, chromosomes can be clearly seen under the compound microscope. Along with the chromosomes, that chromosome contain information about hereditary character in coded form, that is called gene. Means gene is the part of the chromosome that contain information about hereditary characters. Each species have specific number of chromosomes. If you study the different animals like human beings have 46 chromosomes. Means they are in pairs. So 23 pairs of chromosomes are there in human beings. You can consider crab. Crab have total 200 chromosomes. Frog have 26 total chromosomes, and roundworms, they have only 4 number of chromosomes. So every species have different number of chromosomes, and the chromosomes are found in pairs. Each chromosome is made up of DNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. So this is the DNA, this strand. Each chromosome is made up of DNA. And this chromosome looks like a dumbbell shape midway during cell division. There is a constricted region on each chromosome is called centromere. So this is a constricted region. Yes, this constricted region, that is called as a primary constriction, or it is called as a centromere. So this is the centromere, and this centromere divides chromosome into two parts. They are called arms. So this is the first arm and this is the second arm. So these two arms divide by the centromere, and this is arm that is called as a P arm, and this is second arm that is called as a Q arm. Means this chromosome has two arms in here, that is a P arm and Q arm. So each part that is called arm. The centromere has a specific position in each chromosomes. Depending upon this, there are 4 types of chromosomes. So we'll study the structure of chromosome. What is chromosome first? The structure in the nucleus of the cell carries a hereditary character that is called chromosome. And the part on the chromosome is in a coded form which contain information about genetic character, that is called gene. And these chromosomes are made up of DNA. DNA means deoxyribonucleic acid. And this DNA is made up of nucleic acid and protein. Now, the chromosome at the center have constricted region that is called centromere, and this centromere divides the chromosome into arms. So P arm and Q arm seen in this type of chromosome. Now we study about the types of chromosome. There are 4 types of chromosome. First, metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric, and telocentric. So these are the different types of chromosomes. These types of chromosomes are classified according to their different shapes. Chromosomes have different shape. Now first we'll see that is a metacentric. Metacentric chromosome means this is the centromere. This centromere is at the midpoint. Yes. Now this is one arm and this is one arm, and in between the two arms at the mid position there is a centromere and it looks like a V shape. English letter V shape. Therefore this type of chromosome is called metacentric. Second, that is the submetacentric. Submetacentric means centromere is at the near point, midpoint. Centromere is near the midpoint, and one arm is and another arm is horizontal position. So it looks like a L-shaped letter, English. Therefore, this chromosome, this is called as a L-shaped chromosome, or it is called as a metacentric, submetacentric. Then next, acrocentric. Acrocentric means that is the centromere is near one end of this chromosome, that is called as acrocentric. So centromere is one end. Now here is a centromere and one end in the opposite like a submetacentric. This is a look like a J shape, and therefore it is called as a acrocentric. And the fourth type of chromosome, that is the telocentric chromosome. So centromere is at right end of the chromosome, making a letter like a I. So English letter small I. Therefore it looks. This is the centromere, and at the tail region the arm of the chromosome is there. Therefore it is called as a telocentric. So these are the four types of chromosomes. That is a metacentric. It looks like V shape. Submetacentric, L shape. Acrocentric, J shape, and telocentric, I shape. So this is the study about the chromosomes. So remember the diagram. Draw this diagram, chromosome diagram, and all the shapes of different chromosomes. Now as we know that the chromosomes are different in different species. The chromosomes, if the same shape of chromosomes are in pairs, then they are called homologous chromosomes. Yes. Means if the pair consists of similar chromosomes by shape, they are called chromosomes. That chromosome are called homologous. Means in a pair, all chromosomes pairs are of metacentric, both are metacentric pair, then it is called homologous. And if they are different shape in the pairs, then they are called heterologous chromosome. If one is metacentric or one is V shape and another is I shape, then that is called as a heterologous chromosomes. So in case of organism that reproduce sexually, one of the chromosome pair is different from all other. Therefore, the chromosomes of this different pair are called as a sex chromosome, or they are called allosomes. So this is the study of chromosomes. Now, the chromosome numbers are different in different organisms. Now let us see in this table the number of chromosomes in the organisms. Now see this table here, types of chromosome. Now, crab contain how many chromosomes? 200. Yes, means 100 pairs are there. Maize contain 20 numbers of chromosome. Frog contain 26 numbers of chromosome. Roundworm 4. Potato 48 total chromosomes, and human being there are 46. Means in human being there are 23 pairs of chromosomes. And these are the types of chromosome. That is the metacentric, submetacentric, acrocentric, telocentric. V shape, L shape, J shape, I shape. So this is about the study of chromosome. Please draw this figure in your notebook and study about the chromosome. Thank you.